What's going on, man? MrSettin007. Issue I had was I bought some new blades for the rear of the vehicle, but they don't fit. As you can see here, it's different. This is wider than this, so I'm pulling out the actual blades. So I'm going to take this one out. Just going to press it here and pull this out here to kind of go over the edge, and with that I'm able to pull this blade out. This is the new blade, which actually is the good blade. I'm going to slide it in here, hopefully it works. I don't have any issues, so I can just use it to replace the old one, which I have already pulled out, of course. Let's see, I'm going to start from here, and hopefully that makes it easier. Like that. I'm going to go in here, make sure it's all within the same, so it's not coming off. There we go. Slide this in here. Okay, then I'm going to kind of bend this. See how I'm bending it? I'm pushing it this way so I can try and fit it in here. Let's see if that'll work. Pull this out some more. I don't want to damage it, so I'll see if I can pull this up. Give me a little room. There we go. So I'm pulling this up a little bit. I'm beating it up a little bit, but just need a little bit of room. There we go. And I can slide this in here. Okay. And I could put this back. And let's see. Here we go. And that's how I was able to transfer it to the original housing. Transfer it to the original housing, and this will work now. There you go. Just like new. Make minor adjustments if you need to, but perfect. Like and subscribe.